Hold up.
Hey, welcome back guys. This is part 2 of online examination project, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create admin login page and how to authenticate admin credentials. So if you haven't watched previous video like part 1, I'll recommend you to watch that video as well, the demonstration of this project. I'll give the link in description. You can check and you can watch that video first. So talking about admin login page, I have created this project. I'll run this and I'll show you how it works. So this is how page looks, and if you add credentials admin 001 and the password is admin at 20201, and if you'll click on login now, you can see this all modules which admin can access. There are add student, add exam, student info, results, and logout. So I'm going to close this and let's open our project which we have created in part 1. The project name was online exam. Okay, let's close this one for now and let's open our project. Go to the solution explorer, right click and quickly add one web form with MasterPage and give it a name as admin login. Say add, click to this master page, say okay. And after this, we have to add bootstrap classes and all. Div class container. So there are multiple classes, bootstrap classes. I'm not going to explain every classes, but I'll inspect the classes and I will definitely show you what what classes we can use to achieve what kind of styles. So just go here, div class row, div class call column medium hyphen 6. So this will take 6 spaces in between your screen, and I'll inspect it and I'll show you auto, and this will assign the div in center part of our screen. Div class card and div class card body. After this, we'll add div class row, div class column. We will give this image to the center tag, and we can add one folder as project images and say okay. And what you can do right now is just open this and okay, I'll give the link of these images in description. You can check. So we have to go to the L drive, ASP.NET, online examination, images, yeah, admin images. Let's click both the images, copy and paste it here, paste. And after this, what we can do is drag this image as well, copy this one here and paste it here. Just delete this, give it a high width, proper width, 150 px, and that's it. After this, we have to add controls. This ends here, right? So we have to add another div row tag. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste it here, so you don't have to type it again every time. Here it will be h3 admin login. Copy this again and paste it here. After this, type hr. This will give some lining. It will look good design wise. After this, what you can do is add another row, and after this, delete this one. Just add div class mb3, sorry, mb3, and inside this you can add one text box. Where's text box? Yeah, you can add text box here, give it a name as txt admin username. After this, add class, give it a form hyphen control, and give a placeholder is equal to admin user admin id or anything admin id. I'll give, copy this one, copy this and paste it here. Give this as txt box, this also, or txt password. Delete this, say this as password, and add one more attribute, txt mode, so text mode, and text mode will be password, right? After this, what you can do is go here and add another div class, add another class to div class mb-3, same d-grid and gap 2, and inside this you have to add button. Where's button, yes, and give us btn admin login submit, add class will be btn hyphen primary, and that is it, I guess. And now if I'll run this page, so you can see this is how page looks. We have added these classes here. Now if I'll inspect this page, you'll able to see what the classes do here. So you can see this, if there's a row class, there is container class. If I'll remove this container, you can see this design got little broad here. Now if I'll click on Control Z, now if I'll delete this row, or if I'll delete this one, this If I delete this, you can see the thing cover whole page now. Now, if you'll inspect again, and if you click on Control Z or just refresh this, and now this look good now, and inspect again. If if you go here and you click on you click here and you give this as 8, and you can see the width of this design got a little broad. And inspect again. Now if you go here again, you give it as 10, the width will increase again. Now if you see this, the width got increased again, and inspect again and give it as 6, and give it a 6. So this is how it looks right now. Let's close this, and now we'll start with CS and we'll start with database. Let's go to the SQL Management Studio. SQL Management Studio. Click on Connect. Database. Create one database. New database. We'll give it a name as online exam and say OK. The database got created here. Now what we have to do is we have to add new table here. New table. I would have written script for this, but we can add from here as well. So let's do it. Admin ID and where char 50, admin password, same, and where char 50. Give this as big one, admin ID, and admin full name, same, and where char 50. And after this, just save it and say admin login table and say OK. So we have created, I guess, this. Let's refresh this and let's check admin table. So you can see this, the table admin login is here. Let's click on edit top 200 rows. I'm manually adding this admin credential because we don't have to create another registration page for admin. So I'm giving admin ID as 001. Admin password will be admin at 1 2022, and admin full name will be Varun Sharma, and say save and close this and close this also. Let's see if you can see the data which we have inserted. Let's click on select top 1000 rows. Here it is. The data is here. Now let's go back to our project and go here, and let's go to the design part and just double click on this button. But before this coding, we have to configure our database. We have to configure a connection string with database here. So what we can do is go to the web.config file, and after this go inside configuration, add connection string tag, and add name is equal to online examination. Then after this, connection string is equal to data space capital SOUR source is equal to go back to your go back to your SQL Management Studio, disconnect this and connect this again. You'll get the server name, copy this and just go here and paste it here. After this, semicolon, initial catalog is equal to your database name will be your initial catalog. This is online exam. Copy this and paste it here. And after this, semicolon, integrated security is equal to true. And that is it. Integrated. Check the spelling carefully because spelling mistake can cause many errors. So just save it and go back to your admin login page. Double click here and you can see this, the submit event got generated. And let's start with CS code now. This will be interesting. Let's do one thing. Added the namespaces, necessary namespaces, so it won't cause any error. System dot data using system dot data dot SQL client and using system dot configuration. After this, create connection string variable or string config is equal to str config is equal to configuration manager dot connection string, and this will be the inside, it will be online examination, this one, and just save it here. Dot connection string. That's it. And after this, what we have to do is we have to go inside this generated submit event class and try SQL connection con is equal to new SQL connection str config. After this, if con dot state is equal to connection state dot closed, then we have to do is con dot open. So what this will do is this will generate one connection string between database and our page. After this, it will check if the connection is closed. If connection is closed, then it will open the connection. And after this, we have to write one command, SQL command. SQL command will be SQL admin login cmd is equal to new SQL command. This will be select star from table name, go here, and copy this from table name where column admin id, where admin id is equal to single quotes, equal to single quotes. Inside single quotes there will be double quotes, concat txt admin username dot text. After this, and just do one thing, and after this will be admin password. Save it, copy paste single quotes, and inside single quotes there will be double quotes, concat txt password. And after this, what you have to do is to this, just go here and con, I'll just bring here so you can see this clearly. And after this, what we have to do is SQL Data Reader, and this will read the command which we have written. SQL admin dr is equal to SQL login command dot execute reader. And after this, we have to check if your SQL data reader has any row inside this, while SQL admin reads the data. What we can do is, sorry, this is a function, and while this reads the data, we can create a session. This will be admin id SQL admin reader dot get value, and inside this it will be 0 dot toString. Save it here. Session will be role. This will be admin, and let's save it. And after this, when this SQL admin data reader has a row, then it will redirect us to home page.aspx. And after this, else, what is going to happen is this will show an error, response.write script. And after this it will be alert invalid username, user id or password. And after this try, there will be a catch block, and this will be exception ex. Same way we have to copy this one and paste it here, and inside this we have to double quotes ex dot message. That is it for C sharp coding of admin part. Let's run this and let's check if there is any error or anything. Let's run this. So you can see this, our username and password is this. Copy this, and if the username and password is correct, then it will throw us to home page, or else it will show a pop-up. So it is showing invalid user ID or password. I don't know why, but set copy and paste it here. So it is showing invalid username or password. Let's cancel this and let's check what is happening here. Okay, so we haven't typed text, I guess. This will be the error, I guess. Let's run this again. That would be the only error. Admin1 admin add 2022. Let's, okay, so you can see this, we got redirected, and this was the error. We forgot to add this dot text here. So let's go back to our page and let's cancel this as well. So you can see this, we have redirected to home page, but we are able to still see everything here at student login, admin login, examination, and everything. So what we are going to do is, let's configure this part as well. Admin can access only his module, his or her module, and not student module. So let's do one thing, let's close this and let's get back to our main master page and click here, view code. First thing first, go to the master page. So this home, admin, and everything is accessible only when user come first on the page. So what we are going to do is, we are going to hide everything. Visible is equal to false. Same way we have to hide everything here. Copy this one, paste it here, paste, 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 paste here as well, and last, log out. Let's save it and go to our home page and let's run this. So this is our home page looks like. Let's cancel this, and now we have to write some code here inside main master page. We have to write C sharp codes whenever the page loads. If string dot is null or empty, string of string session of double, sorry, role. So we have assigned this session role here in admin part, in admin login page. Same way we have to do it for student. So let's get back to admin master page. There is one more bracket missing. Let's, and after this student login will be visible is equal to true. Admin login will be visible true, and else if, we have to type else if the session, this role dot equals admin, right? This is the right, which, yeah, admin. Then what we are going to do is we have to visibility as true for this. Whatever comes under admin except admin login, we have to set as visible true, true. Admin exam, admin student, add student, admin info dot visible equal to true, admin student result dot visible is equal to true. Then last one will be log out, main dot visible is equal to true. Set both this as false. This will be false again. And let's save it, and let's also go back to our admin part. Let's correct everything which we have, spellings and everything. Here it will be admin, and this will be sub or login. Okay, now if we'll run this again, oh, there's one error, I guess. Okay, what is the error? Okay, we have mistakenly added one more this part, and let's now go back and admin login. This looks good. Now if I'll delete this and delete this, this is how it looks. And just go back and admin 001, and password is admin at 2022. Let's click on login, and now this is how it looks. There is add student, add exam, student info, results, and every logout, every modules is here for admin. Same way we have to do it for student, but only admin can register student data, right? So in next video we will cover this add student module, and so on, so on. We will cover every part, add exam, student info, and everything. Let's close this. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video like this. And if you have any query, or if you get any error while following this video or while doing this code, just drop a comment, or you can take a screenshot of error. You can send a mail on our official email ID. So that is it. Thank you. Bye.